Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. This is Arvind from Merit Pros. Let's get started. And now coming to the project structure. Okay, so what is a project structure? So this is the particular project we created, and you might be wondering what is this SRC main Java, SRC main resource, SRC test Java, SRC test resource. So what are these stuffs? And also the main thing, what is this JRE system library? So this is the Java, the core part of your any application, so any development application, that's going to be your JRE system library. And here there is an SRC. So what is this SRC, what does this do, and what is this target? So all these things contribute towards the project structure. Your structure cannot be changed, unfortunately, because there are some certain sets of standards and rules that we need to be followed for any given project. So these cannot be changed at any cost. And the recommendation is like, don't try to change it. Your project will be a mess later on. Okay, so this would be the standard that we'd be using it on. And to brief you about what is SRC main Java, SRC main resource, SRC test Java, SRC test resource, and all the stuffs. So just a quick thing about what are these project folder structures. Okay, so in any projects, right, like you need to maintain a structure. So if you don't maintain it as a structured format, whoever is coming new to your organization, new to your team, or anywhere who is going to open your project and see, he might not understand it out. To be more simpler, let me tell you, like say SRC. So we have SRC slash main, SRC slash main slash resources. So I'm not following the naming conventions. Don't worry. SRC slash test, SRC slash test slash resources. Okay, for any Java application to be built or any automation framework to be built, if you have these particular folder structure, it is very well enough. Okay, so let me point it out to you. SRC test and SRC resource. As it suggests, as the name displays, SRC test, SRC test resource. This contributes towards here. So SRC main, SRC resources. You can use this for also your testing, but mainly it is focused into your Java application. Okay, so test will have a package, and inside a package we can have class files, and resource will have a folder, and inside a folder you can have a text file, Excel sheet, or anything. The same applies for your SRC main and SRC resource as well. So SRC main will have a package, and it can have a class, and main resource can have it as a folder. What's means like what is going to be inside the resources folder, and inside the folder you can have a text file or Excel sheets, anything you can have it out depending upon your consistent project structure or your team suggestions. Okay, so this is what is going to be there, and there are also like a lot of other projects that you can create it as well. Just to show it to you, let me open it up. Yeah, so these are the structures. Okay, application library resource, application library resources, so filter. So again you can ask me like SRC main webs, what is it? That's web application. So we created only a Java application, so we get only these 4 folders, but there are different types of applications that you can create it, a web application, REST API. So depending on that, there can be some different folder structures available. So this is what is about. Just you can go through this at your free time, no problem. Okay, so readme text is going to be the text file that like you're going to tell to anyone who is going to open your project. This is a main one actually. Maybe if I'm going to come to your particular project, I'm going to see your framework, so this readme.txt is going to help me out. Okay, because I need to know, as a third person, you know about your application, but for me, I don't know about your application. So what and all you did inside your application, your automation framework, or in your Java application, you can write it out on this readme.txt file, and I can read this particular folder in or this particular text file from the folder, and I can understand it out what you have done so far. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope the covered topics will help you in your career development and growth. See you in our next video.